Hi everyone, my name is Portia Gonzalez, and the title of my presentation is The Minerals of Our Lives. The class is GLG 110, and the professor's name is Dr. Michel. So the list of household items that I chose for this presentation are my pink Himalayan salt lamp, my black high-top Converse shoes, my Amazon Fire Stick remote, my iron Flask water bottle, and my Aloe Vera plant pot. So my first one is my pink Himalayan salt lamp. The mineral that I found for this is called halite. It has luster that is vitreous. The color can be colorless or it can be white. The streak is white and it has a hardness of 2.5 and the cleavage is perfect. For my high-top Converse shoes, the mineral that I found for this is gilsonite, which comes from the rubber on the sides of my shoes. It has a bright luster, the color is black, but it has a streak that is brown. It has a hardness of 2, and the fracture is very brittle. For my Amazon Fire Stick remote, the mineral that I found is called talc, which comes from the plastic casing around it. The luster is pearly. The colors can vary. It can be green, white, gray, brown, or it can be colorless. The streak is white to pale green. It has a hardness of 1, and it has a perfect cleavage. My next one is my iron Flask water bottle. So for the mineral that I found is called magnetite. It has a metallic to submetallic luster. The color is black to silvery gray. The streak is black. It has a hardness between 5 to 6.5, and it doesn't have any cleavage. So for my last one is my Aloe Vera plant pot, and the mineral that I found is muscovite, which comes from the clay. So the luster is pearly to vitreous. The color is black, brown, or silver. It has a white streak and hardness of 2.5 to 3 and a cleavage perfect. And here are my references. Thank you guys.